Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of notoriety among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars or not. The historical backdrop of image coins are cryptographic forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun. Instead of specialized items and administrations, it tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars coin are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve true use and have no functional utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high flow. The vast majority of the Dogelon Mars are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a cryptographic money with the subject Doge image. Kabosu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious cryptographic forms of money. Yet the notoriety of Dogelon Mars has ultimately expanded. Dogecoin, Doge Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and instrument for Dogelon Mars so for $1, you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars, a Shiba Inu canine was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the canine is Kabosu. The discussion was filled with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had in the long run become viral via web-based entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word canine was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was circled on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the dogecoin to jab the extreme other crypto tokens available for use. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane component of image coins is that they will give profoundly productive returns and make their financial backers tycoons short-term. In a study led by Krabaco, a digital money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or essentials of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars tokens is that financial backers have a great deal of trust in the symbolic's worth, since it has been set at a shallow worth. Thus the majority of the crypto holders are misdirected by the Dogelon Mars value that later on, it will hit a $1 maximum capacity is still left. Or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. What makes Elon remarkable? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a canine subject, utilizes a clever interesting story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that notice the coin continuing on his experiences to Mars, where he experiences more companions. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companions. Dogelon Mars mission. There is no fixed guide for the coin, in any case. The image coin is exceptionally well known, since the coin's significance is that once it battles for endurance against the annihilators and is recorded on major crypto trades, its worth will contact Mars. The coin is extremely memeable with different properties in its name. Doge Elon Musk Moon Mars. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.00000022. Dogelon Mars cost beat the cost expectations and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost had arrived at in excess of multiple times when it had begun the primary day of the month. Much the same as our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars is around $0.00001438, The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.00000936 with an all-out market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552,955,726,479,823 elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized investigation shows that the elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00000267, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st October 2021 has framed the most elevated light, with the immense backing of volume, in somewhere around 3 days. Elon cost has moved from $0.00000771 to $0.00002675, upheld by tremendous volume. In no less than a month, a small bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then, at that point, bears began pulling back the elon cost, which made a dive to $0.00000113. Presently, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern soon. As per our specialized investigation with the most well-known specialized markers, Dogelon Mars elon's cost has exchanged over its 50 EMA and 20 EMA. RSI is set at 54.33, which is a non-partisan sign, nor is it in the oversold zone, nor offers any inversion hint to purchase Dogelon Mars signal. MACD line is moving beneath signal line. Volume profile isn't extremely steady as of now, while Dogelon Mars elon cost expectation uncovers opportunities for positive pattern. Dogelon Mars coin expectation 2023. In light of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0.00000143. The most extreme Dogelon Mars cost gauge for 2023 is $0.00000144. The typical cost is $0.00000133. Our Dogelon Mars elon value expectation ought not be considered as a speculation guidance to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars coin value forecast 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0.00000165. The typical cost of elon could reach $0.00000140. Value forecasts predict elon needs to arrive at an end cost of $0.00000195. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2025. Elon value forecasts are expected to begin at $0.00000194. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.00000019.